Hello everyone, I'm Marmar, fashion and beauty blogger based in Dubai, and today I want to share my favorite products from Life Pharmacy. Let's start with this amazing package from Andalou, a USA brand, and I chose this kit because it has all the essentials that you need. My skin type is oily and a combination to oily, so I prefer this type, and they have variety of products and you can choose the ones which perfect for your skin type. It has all the essentials that you need for your skin. It has a cleanser, it has face mask, toner, night cream, and eye cream. I opened the package, you can see. I like the size. I think it's really handy. I can put it in my bag, I can go to the gym for a staycation, travel, and it's so good. So they are all oil free because, as I told you, my skin type is combination to oily skin. Look at these products. It's not only vitamin C, it's turmeric and vitamin C together. We all know about the benefit of turmeric in our life and health. Now they are together. The combination is really amazing. If you want to have a beautiful, flawless skin, this is help you a lot. Okay, the vitamin C and turmeric gives you natural glow and make your skin flawless. Actually, I love the bottling. It's really amazing. I want to try it on my skin. So smooth, very nice smell. Now let's talk about Soskin. This is a French brand and this is actually gel cream. This product has hyaluronic acid. It makes your skin really smooth and it's really lightweight on your skin. Actually, it minimizes your pores, give your face beautiful and natural shine, and it's oil free. And this is the texture. Let's talk about something amazing that recently I found. This is from UK that called Jovene. The most interesting part about is, it has 3 steps: face wash, serum, and then the mask. So cool, yeah? It has all the steps and it's really easy to use. Now time to taking care of our hands, okay? Especially during these days. The weather is really cold actually. And what I'm facing during these days is that my skin is really dry, okay, and it helps me a lot. It's called Cake and it's a hand cream. Actually, the name deserves it. The smell is so good and it's from Canada. This is the texture actually. You want to have a shiny and beautiful healthy hair, you should use oils. We all know about the benefit of coconut oil. This one is called Miracle Coconut Oil. I always using coconut oil, during the night for 1 or 2 hours. I just keep it on my head and then wash it, or sometimes over the night, maybe for 5-6 hours. I have it on my hair because I'm using styling products a lot and I need to take care of my hair so much. This is the one that helps me a lot. OGX have variety of products: shampoo, conditioners, hair oil, serums, whatever you want, you can find it in Life Pharmacy. Thank you so much for watching me and staying with me. Hope you enjoy my review of favorite products from Life Pharmacy. Now you can know everything about my hair and skincare. During these days, Life Pharmacy has amazing offers. They have a mega sale and bundle sales. Just don't miss this chance and check the nearest branch, or you can also check it online.